y'all, it's DaniP, your real estate bestie. I wanted to give a quick announcement about all of the content that I'll be dropping pretty soon. A lot of it is going to have to do with real estate and each of the steps and the processes of what it's like to either sell, buy, have a real estate agent when you're renting or investing. I really want to bring education to this channel so that you guys can really understand what it's looked like to be in any one of those positions in the real estate and know exactly what it is that you will be doing and expecting when you're either going to sell your house or you're trying to purchase a house, even renting, because yes, you can have a real estate agent to help you rent a home, and investing, because that's a big part of real estate as well. So I want to bring education, especially to our community. We really do need to know and understand where we are when it comes to this real estate world and how much obtainable it is for us. So stay tuned. Any questions that you may have that I don't cover in any of these videos, definitely leave them in the comment section. You can private message me or direct message me, whatever you prefer, and I will definitely connect with you and answer those questions. But I just really want to bring education. Like there's a lot of misinformation out of there. There's a lot of missing information out of there, and it's a lot of things that we're just not aware of as a community in whole. This home buying process is so much more obtainable than what we think, and I want to bring that to my community, and I just want to bring education, period, so that way we understand what it is and how we can get these things. And I am a licensed real estate agent here in Pennsylvania. So if you are looking to sell, buy, invest, or even rent, I can definitely help you out with all your real estate needs. Let me help you find your piece of property.